Now we are discussing about the concept of cyber policing, the multi-faced cyber criminal fake government of Telangana. What is source for the goose is source for the general. Now we are discussing about the abstract cyber crimes bringing annoying problems to the people worldwide. They brought a number of new crime activities, actors, and new challenges in fighting against them. The cyber policing is meant for stopping cyber crimes and is a knowledge insensitive. The FGOT is an online cyber criminal organization associated to JNTH JAC that is prevailing even now in the JNTH academic environment. The FGOT committed multiple cyber crimes against the Indian nation. For this, we have cyber forensic evidence to Wayback Machine, a web crawler tool or web robot running on the internet. But the status quo of cyber policing for this case discloses the fact that the police personnel failed to the deal with it correctly. We discussed our analysis of the deleterious effects of this cybercrime and some steps to remediate them. We firmly hold the opinion that if the state and central government release a white paper detailing their efforts to defuse the cybercrime, they can receive trust and increase people's trust over the nation. Unlike the case in which Swami Paripurnananda once external neither the twin cyber criminal organizations, namely FGOT and JNTH JAC, were served any prohibition orders by the police, nor the cyber criminals are convicted. This raised many moot questions. We have devised a declaration for social media usage ethics that can weaken and mitigate the abusive use of social media by educated elite. So now we are discussing about the introduction. Cyber criminal is any criminal activity that involves a computer, network device or a internet. Cybercrimes are bubbling in every community so frequently and they are diminishing the social and nation values. The very purpose of the computer and the internet are getting lost by the abusive actions of the cyber criminals in the society. The courage that the cyber criminals invest in the commission of the cyber criminals is yielding desired benefits to them because of the many flaws in handling of this cyber crime. Cyber policing plays a vital role in the cyber criminal procedure and finds its value highly in a cyber security policies. Appropriate cyber policing is the heart of the Swachh Digital and is yet to come. We found two organizations and offline organization JNTH JAC and an online organization FGOT to which JNTH JAC claimed its association during Telangana agitation from the year 2011 are prevalent in JNTH academic environment. The FGOT State Emblem of India, Prohibition of Improper Use, Act 2005, ACIPA violation, second one. The identity, third point. Cheating government of Telangana, fourth one. Seditious government of Telangana crimes. It is evident from the automated web crawl image of homepage of www.jnthjac.com. Now we are discussing about the related work. We carried out the literature survey related to our research work and the details are presented below. The first groundwork related to the cyber crimes involved in the continuing case study was present in from the elaboration of work with the issues and details were presented on better grounds. The research work gained strong ground as the cyber forensic evidence of the cyber crimes was thoroughly captured and presented on more elaboration of reporting and recording the details. The work depicts the impact of RTI Act to challenge the conditions that were against the pursuing for the field reporting and ensuring the registration of the cybercrime to successfully pursue the public authorities for right information in the IT era we are in. In this work, we firmly stick to the point that this cybercrime case should be dealt properly by the public authorities and the state and central government should release a white paper on the cyber criminal issue and issue orders to prohibit the twin cyber criminal organization FGOT JAC and convict the related cyber criminals. And the another point is third point is cyber policing the India abusive fake government of Telangana. In nearly 20 plus earlier well indexed publication, we brought to limelight based on cyber forensic open source web robot Wayback Mission. The twin cyber criminal organization, fake government of Telangana and JNTH JAC prevalent in JNTH academic environment during 2011 to 14. The resultant deleterious effects and our remedial analytics. The government of Telangana 2014 to 2018 is an offshoot of and our religious remedial analytics. The fake government of Telangana is an prevalence of the two CCOs. The AP Recognition Act 2014 was affected. We lodged police complaint against the two CCOs. With our first complaint, the FIR was failed in January 2014 in KPHBPS against the violation of State Emblem of India Act 2005. The witness produced by the police in the court trial turned as hostile evidence and the accused AI was acquitted. AI and government of AP through KHBPS were the parties to the judgment. Some other most questions are how to see that GOI duly plays a role with remedying of the about India abusive constitution violation cyber crimes. The next point is fourth point, the main facts of the main facets of the 3D government of Telangana. Negative usage models, for example, dark web that surrounded the descriptive ICT information and communication technology become a threat to the ensure sustainable progressive nation, society and culture. Cyber crimes, which captured such models, played vital role in misleading the Telangana youth and society in the guise of Telangana movement, with the result that academic merit and leadership turned India abusive during 2011 to 2014 in technological education environment in Telangana. That the multi-dimensional perspectives and significance of such cybercrimes were highlighted in nearly 20 research publications, including our earlier NAOP 2017 presentation. Towards research tracking the issue of cybercrimes from 360 degrees life cycle and remedial perspectives, we endeavored to recover the academic and national losses due to cyber criminals. Interestingly, 3D dimensions. Government of Telangana well known. First one fake government, second one GOT, and third one is GOT September 2014 till date. The People Governmenting Forum. The PGF is intended to disseminate national 2018 and is being utilized as a web device and a broader discuss and included a national spirit in the educated youth and be awareness of how to use the internet for positive purpose. 3D government details cyber crimes and for cyber policing to check India abusive cyber crimes. Our idea is for digital India becomes successful only when it is able to secure its people with the ability to prevent or remedy the computer cyber crimes that abuse the nation or its society or its people or culture. This means people of country have to be informed security intelligence in facing the usage of descriptive technologies. And the another point is 50 point, which is source for the good is source for the gender. Why was Swami Paripurnanda extended to no prohibition orders against JNTH, JSC and DGOT? Rogue or dark government of Telangana and JNTH academic scam. Now we go into the matter. Dark web is the part of the World Wide Web, www, that is only accessible by means of special software configurations or authorizations to access, thus allowing users and website operators to remain anonymous, unidentified and ultra-cable. The dark web is contrasted with the clearnet, which is regular web which has encrypted nature. The deep web, sometimes called the invisible web, is the largest part of the internet that is inaccessible to conventional search engines. Deep web content includes emails, etc. Then after we need to go about the sixth point is SMI ethics declaration, developing social media user intelligence and SMI coefficient. In that we need to discuss about I declare that I will use social media in such that I will not get addicted to internet addiction. I will not get addicted to social media. I will not do X plus delta X in social media usage. That is, I will not add social media addiction, whereas the internet addiction is, and this is enough. And the seventh point is conclusions and future work. We presented the nuggets of our research work in handling the cyber crimes under study. We focused on the many moot questions that arose because of the ineffective cyber policing with our cyber crime case. We depicted multifaceted 3D government of Telangana and highlighted that the government becomes strong and more powerful if they did release a white paper presenting that measures they taken by them to diffuse the effects of the cybercrime. Such actions can rule out the formation of such criminal organizations in the future. The police issued externment orders against Swami Parapurnanda. Similar to this, the police should issue prohibition orders against the FGOT and JNTH JSC cyber criminal organization and see that these cyber criminals are convicted. What is sauce for the goose is sauce for the gander. He devised a declaration for social media usage ethics. It keeps the society on the bedrock of values, and abusive social media usage will tend to be on the wane. As part of our future work, we would like to focus on the public opinion generation at a large scale and handle these kind of cybercrimes well in future. This is the concept of cyber policing, the multi-faced cyber criminal fake government of Telangana. What is sauce for the sauce is goose. Goose is sauce for the gender. Thank you everyone.